Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siya Hlazia. Hey guys, Absalom Zungu, guys, is not budging, eh? He's just like, you know what? I'm klangene nalento. Bese uRatha, you know how Ratha is, ne? Ratha came in to say, yonke lento mina say. And that happened when Umshololo was like, Babzungu, is there anything that you want to say? Mhlawumbe uyi-ede on the stuff that I was asking you ngoba umbuza nje ngokuthi uyamazini ufisa ukudla ungisayibo ngazana kuphi nofisa ukudla and uwesuke umshololo Zithulele Nxumalo advocate uthi said 3 minutes guys. He was just like yamazi maphisi accuse number 4 wathi angimazi. That was it guys. I was just like Nxumalo is not serious guys. But I guess guys, at the end of the day, why would you wanna be asking umuntu izinto that are not helping the cause? But manje uRatha comes up with the story and the stuff that he's saying uZungu, they're not helping the cause. When he was trying to elaborate le nto leyo ukuthi silasi khona because of labo accused, and kwakufanele ukuthi mina ngifakaziswe amanga uBrigadier Gininda and lie about the 5 accused and say I know them and they actually didn't. What's in the TSA? Right, ngena kuphi invite log. Imagine. And Absalom maintains ukuthi you know what, angazani mina na Gininda angihlangene necase kaSenzomiwa, angazani na next. And as uRatha is saying that it's TSA uyajump uBaloyi. Angithi phela useyabona ukuthi oh nama I can come up with something. Remember last week I did say ukuthi you know what, uBaloyi is cooking something and you know what he's gonna say. Besezwa ukuthi Absalom keeps on saying ukuthi uBrigadier Gininda wanted to use me and wanted to spread these lies to the nation about me. Ukuthi mina I know these boys and I know what they've done and get involved in Lento and I must also actually change my surname. He was just like, no, I don't want to be involved in this thing. Yeah, you got right. And also, I told my son, that's please don't involve me in this thing. I'm phone go involved in Lento. Uzama ugenza la nalo Brigadier Gininda wakho engingamazi. Once you start to say that, what jump uBaloyi, because like I said last week, guys, uBaloyi Aniti has been cooking things and then it's just like, you know what, hearsay. I can say hearsay. It defense has been saying, Ruti, once I bring people, it's hearsay. And the stuff that I've been saying to Muzisibia for the past 2 weeks, it's hearsay. So Namige Uzungu actually came with the hearsay, because it's not hearsay. It's the truth. Justin J. He is trying to clear his name. He's just like, I don't want to be involved in this thing. And then Kifago Mdanami and this Brigadier Ongeko rights. My thing is that Brigadier Gininda guys. How is it different from Ushetrek Sibia? Isn't this to Ushetrek Sibia guys is rotten to the core. He is the same person who said Ikes Kanamhla Ifago ngaphansi kompede in some one of those dockets were there. Those 120 something dockets that he had that were accumulating dust in his office. But what's in jail? We're still gonna do Madanga on the side. I'm just like, wow. It beats me. And when Absalom was trying to explain himself, Casey started because of him. That's not what he wanted to say, guys. And then uRatha jumps in, wanted to actually jump the guy. He was just like, no, that's not facts. It's not how it happened. This case wasn't opened because of you. It was opened because of Senzomiwa, because he was actually unalived. But guys, I mean, we all know that's not the case. The case is that Absalom was trying to explain himself. But you know, brah, please. And I actually don't like this. This is actually very disturbing to me. Can you please not involve me in this thing? And then they went on to say, it's hearsay. How is it hearsay? It's just unbelievable to them. Actually, you could see, oh, we're in trouble now. uRatha is actually in disbelief. Guys, like honestly, Brigadier Gininda, everything that is told us about Absalom and the son is actually not right. And what really disturbs uRatha the most is the fact that around 174 Kanxumalo, he used that crazy evidence, Kazungu. This is why it's just like, What has just happened? Uthini manje lo baba lo? You couldn't believe it. Angithi uhlelise kumaphephandaba iy'ndaba just because I'm sure uyasazi ngo-Absalom wayibona ividiyo ka-Absalom urazi. Rasa likes acting like he doesn't watch media, he doesn't watch TV. It's just like people are creating stories. People are not creating anything. It is the truth. And you know what uyambona guys ukuthi kuphi umqondo wakhe. Rasa's mind is on those guys about 5 because they must be convicted and I will show them. Ulapho. He's on the tip actually. Baloyi and Rata thought they were trying to gang up on Zungu. Zungu actually took over and took other directions. It was just like, no, this is not new. I get to the stuff that Umshololo is telling me. Ngoba sivalela Friday besikhuluma almost the same thing. So njengamanje like I'm saying ukuthi uBrigadier Keninda can't be using my name where there was some bloodshed, you know. Mina ngena ngobla kwakuchitheka amagazi la kwenzeka izinto and then he wants to put me into that. It's such a shame ukuthi he wants to put me into that. Guys, yo manje courts besekuthulekile. I was just like manje courts eka Zungu for the first time. Urasa is just like, what? What's just happened? What's going on? Ngikuphi mina manje la? Ngoba Urasa busy giving this narrative ukuthi there were intruders in the house. Lenta ibeyitshelo Keninda. He still can't believe ukuthi there are other people who can actually trash Keninda like that and be just like lalela mina ngene ndawo. Ningangifake lapho lo Keninda weni. If you believe him, I have nothing to do with that. Please. Long. Only thing engifuna ukuyazi ukuthi why did Keninda come here to testify using my name and the statements and my ID number and my signature without my consent? I was supposed to be called. At the time.
Referring to this document, my lord, was my name not mentioned in this document? So in other words, you are saying the case was allegedly said to have been taken from you. This is what we are trying to say. Ozama ukusho wena noma ozama ukubeka lapha phambi kwenkundla mnumzane Zungu ukuthi ke lavulwa leli cala bese kwathiwa ke kukhona istatement esithathwe kuwe yiloko ozama ukuchaza.
Yebo, yilokho ngizwa negama lami limenyezwa.
Yes.
Kodwa mina ngazi lutho.
Yes, that is what I'm trying to explain, and furthermore that my name was mentioned in this case, where else I know nothing. Okay, continue.
Angazange ngibizwe mina zangazi ukuthi kunaqala khona umuntu okhuluma ngeqala lakhe enkantolo kanti vese lento serious iqala lalonto washona ngithi umeyini kodwa kukhulunywa ngegama lami ngisho la enkantolo yakhuluma uGelinda akhuluma ngegama lami akhuluma izinto ezingixakayo.
My lord, what I'm saying is that when this matter started, I was never called to come and testify here. And as and when I've been listening to the case, I heard Keninda giving testimony, making mention of things that I do not know, or strange things rather.
So you're saying so because your name was mentioned by Brigadier Keninda in this?
Ukushiso lokho wena inkulumo yakho isukela ekutheni uBrigadier Keninda wabiza ke igama lakho, wakhuluma ngegama lakho.
Yebo wabiza kanti isifakazi nawo sengiyabuthola besobenzile.
Yes.
Wabiza la.
Yes. He mentioned my name, and this is with evidence to this statement that the witness has in his position, indicating that my name was mentioned on this statement, this very statement.
And how did you feel when you heard that Keninda was mentioning your statement, your name here in court?
Wazizwa kanjani-ke wena baba mosuzwa-ke ukuthi uKeninda ukhuluma ngegama lakho la enkantolo?
Yikho lokhu-ke okungisukumisa phansi engikubonile ukuthi kuyingozi uKeninda ukhuluma ngegama lami akakhulumi futhi kahle ukhuluma ngokuchitheka kwegazi.
That's why I was bothered with the fact that Keninda is mentioning my name, and it's dangerous, not in a good way. So he's mentioning this my name in a dangerous way.
Uthi ukhuluma amazwi akhe asusakeme ukuthi lokho akukhuluma uKeninda kubuhlungu ememeza ngame court ngenye indlela umemezela ukuthi laba abantu babeboshiwe nje kuliwe balwe nama ngithi balwe akusukulwa futhi nami ngeke kuzofa abantu abaningi yabona abantu behlukene kanjani umemeza izigodi ngegodi ngaphandle kwalo ongaba amahlabathi lo umemezela ngegama lami emphakathini ngenye indlela uKeninda vese ngegama lami ubebhezela udlame.
I was very hurt with what Keninda Gininda said before this court, mentioning my name in such a serious matter. And furthermore, to say that whatever that he said, the witness has pointed to the directions or the direction of the accused dog, saying that these are different people from different villages or areas in the homelands, except for this one that is seated on the far left from Mahlabathini. And Gininda, what he did by mentioning my name, he was inciting violence in a sense that people would die. Not only these accused will fight amongst themselves or fight with me or think that I'm the one that implicated them, but he's also inciting violence.
Was it true what was said by Gininda in this court?
Kwakuyiqiniso yini lokho kwakhulunywa uGininda?
We submit, my lord, that question cannot be allowed, my lord. It's precisely the issues that this court is seized with. The opinion of this witness is irrelevant.
Thank you, my lord. Can I rephrase the question? Thank you. From what you said that was said by Gininda in this court, was it true according to your own understanding?
Okuya ngolwazi lwakho wena babuzungu.
Or can you comment on what was said by Gininda in this court?
Manje ngokuya ngolwazi lwakho wena ngokwazi kwakho babuzungu wena lokho okwashiwa uGininda ke ukusho ngegama lakho.
But once again, the comment of this, the view of this witness is irrelevant. This court is called upon to decide on the evidence that is before court. What this witness thinks, my lord, is irrelevant.
My lord, I submit that it is relevant.
How is it relevant? How is it going to assist this court to adjudicate this matter?
My lord, it's for the witness to confirm what he said, whether it's true according to his knowledge or not.
So how will it advance the knowledge of the court in order to sit and adjudicate this matter?
It will assist the court.
In what way?
It will assist the court, my lord, to weigh the evidence of the truthfulness of the evidence of Brigadier Gininda, in as far as reference is made regarding
I'm here to adjudicate a murder case, not a hearsay case. Murder case.
Yes, my lord.
Yeah.
I agree.
All I'm listening to here is just hearsay. Amaphikiseni utheni wathini wangibiza mashobane kamzilikazi what. How is it going to help this court?
Continue, sir.
There's a request, my lord, by the witness that I interpret what what was Mr. Baloy's objection all about. Umnumzane Baloyi ubethi-ke njengoba ukuthi kungani ngakhululekile ubethi-ke indlela ke uMamshololo ebuza ngayo-ke imibuzo nje lo mbuzo akubuza wona uthe-ke angeke usise ndawo uyayibona manje-ke uyachaza-ke uMamshololo ukuthi kuzosisiza lokho ukuthi-ke inkosi inkantolo ifikelele esinqumeni okuyisona esifanele. Inkosi inkantolo ithi yona la ibhekene necala lokufa komuntu noma-ke icala lokubulawa ngoba-ke ubufakazi obuvelile kaningi ukuthi ubani uthini ubani wathini yiloko bebakusho nje lokuyiba inkulumo mpikiswano phakathi kuMamshololo naye-ke umnumzane Baloyi yiloko bebakhuluma ngakho baphikisana ngakho.
Angithi ukuze kutholakale ngoba nithi angifuke nje la enkantolo ukuze kutholakale into eya phambili ukuthi kukhulunywa amaqiniso.
I've taken an oath before this court to come and testify, and for us to reach an end point, we must first find the truth.
Manje-ke nakho-ke engicela ukuthi vese ngiyibheke.
This is what I would like to state.
uGininda uthi la ephepheni statement sakhe uthi mina ngalethwa constable Sizwe Zulu ngamletha lapha ukuthi ezokwenza le statement.
What is said by Gininda in this statement, which the witness is having in his position, Brigadier Gininda indicates that Constable Sizwe Zungu is the one that brought me to make this statement.